Hello, I'm Travis Kraus. I'm the lead e-learning developer for the EdTech Certificate project. I'm going to talk some more about the treatment report, particularly the sitemap, style sheet, and planning documents. So I'm going to skip past all of this because we covered this last time. We looked at the screenshots of the interface and all of that. Okay, so I've added the sitemap. Now, if you're looking at our document here, this is really tiny, so you probably can't see what's on the sitemap. So I added a link here to a PDF if you want to view that separately so that you can enlarge it if you want. So we will zoom in a little bit, and we can go in as much as we want and see all the different parts of the sitemap. It's pretty straightforward. Basically, I've just got, the home is basically where you log in as a student and you see all of your courses. And then from there you can access each of the courses. I've got all 4 courses. For each course, I've got the stream, classmates, and about sections. And then beneath those, I've got all the pieces that go under that. So the different modules there, the different orientation documents that are in the About section, and so on. So that is that. I'll go back to the report here. And then the style sheet, there's a lot here. I mentioned last time that Google Classroom allows you to upload, well, first of all, they have their own stock images that you can use for the theme, for the backdrop of your courses. We wanted to customize that as much as possible and just give it a unique, specifically University of Memphis look to the whole thing. So we created these custom themes here. So that's what we have here. This is for the first course, IDT 7061, and I've got the RGB color values here, the fonts that were used. The placement of everything really was based on how it was going to look in Classroom. I'll scroll back up for a second so you can see the screenshots right here. You can see that when you put it in Classroom, all this other stuff shows up on top of it, like the name of the student, little buttons and links and so on. So we had to arrange everything so that you would still see it whenever you're looking at it in Classroom. And also different factors, like if you're looking at it on a different monitor, like a big monitor or small monitor, it moves everything around. So different monitors were tested in coming up with these designs so that it would just look the best no matter what size monitor you're using. Each of these themes has, of course, the U of M logo right here on the left, and then the name of the course on the right. And very, pretty basic colors, red, blue, green, purple. But in addition to the color, each design has a gradient effect, and then they also have like a texture, basically. So this one's called plastic wrap. This one's called texturizer, so it's got kind of a fabric look to it. This one's called reticulation. I think that's my favorite one. And then the last one is called graphic pen. So those were the designs that were used for the themes for Google Classroom. And then we've got the badges. So as I was saying last time, we've got a collection of 13 badges developed for this course. Again, when a student completes something, if there's a badge component, like if they complete an assignment that shows that they learned something and we offer a badge for learning that, then they can earn this badge. And these are the names of all the badges with their RGB values, their fonts, etc. And then down here, we've got the actual images of the badge. So, and I've got them listed in the order that they occur in the certificate. So you can see each one pretty much follows the same pattern. They all say IDT Memphis at the top. They all have the U of M logo on the left. for the most part, they have the name of the badge and then some sort of a graphic right here. For the ISTE badge, basically the name is the graphic because it has that logo there. So, but if you look at all the others, we've got them all laid out right here. They're all different colors. They pretty much all follow a two-color scheme, so either white and some other color, or in some cases we've got more than that. Like the digital citizenship badge has a green and black effect there. So those are the badges, and then this is the final big badge that you earn when you complete the certificate. So that's the EdTech certificate badge. So once you complete the whole program, that's the final badge that you earn. All right. And then I've got right here for our documents, since the instruction was on Google Docs, I've got everything for that laid out here. The headings, the fonts, colors, if we use different color fonts. And then finally right here is where our planning documents are. We didn't use any storyboards per se, but we did, Dr. Mims put together this Prezi that we followed pretty closely that laid out what he had in mind for the course. We've got a link to our work schedule. So this has been something that's been evolving. Every week it's been changing as we put new tasks out there and divide up the tasks. We've been consulting that pretty regularly. And then some of our team members actually met with Dr. Mims in person to get a feel for his vision for this certificate. And so these links are to our notes from meeting with him. So check those out if you get a chance. And that is the treatment report. Thank you.